Okay, so for this dress here, so many options, so many different things to do. Hey Plug Babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Plug by Bianca M, but you can call me Bianca. So let's get into my favorite segment, the plug bag of the day. So the plug bag of the day is our silver statement plug flat bag. Absolutely gorgeous. This bag is small, but it can really hold quite a few things in here. I love like the sizing, even though we do have a bigger size. I like the mini size. I feel like that's so cute. One of the things that I love about this bag the most is that it's like plugged really, really big. Y'all know that that is my brand, and I absolutely love it so much. I also love that it's like a little mini briefcase. Like, it's giving like business casual, but you can also dress it down. It comes with a long shoulder strap, which we absolutely love to have the option. I tell you guys all the time, I am a top handle girl, but sometimes I do pull out my strap. That sounded crazy. I feel like it's so cute. Absolutely love the color. Y'all know that silver bags is just something about them. Chef's kiss. Like, these last like 2 years, silver bags have been like on fire. I felt like this was the absolute perfect bag for today. Before we get any further in the video, if you are not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a like, write me some comments, talk to the girl so I can know that you guys are here and I can continue to make more videos like this. Today we'll be styling some pieces from the fall haul before. Y'all, let's get into it. Okay, as you can see, we went in for a monochromatic look. Absolutely love gray. This is so good, of course, for fall winter. The top is really, really cute. I got this actually from H&M last year. You can even throw a blazer over top of this. I feel like that would be cute as well. Or even a shirt underneath. I feel like that will also add like a little bit more like edginess to it. These are the pants. Absolutely love these. I probably could actually iron them, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to keep them like this. I love the belly band sandal with these. I think that might be like my favorite look if you're going to like dress it up or kind of like, you know, not too much. I feel like the belly band sandal, you can't really see like if it's like a really high heel or not. So a kitten would be really, really good with this. This bag here is our plug statement flat in silver. Love this so much. This necklace here, Plug by Bianca M. I decided to put on the small earrings to go with this because I didn't want the big earrings to clash with the necklace, and I love this look. It's so cute. Even if you wanted to kind of add like a pop of color, maybe like the blazer could be like a different color, like really, really cute. I could even see like a leather blazer with this. I feel like that would be cute. I did not know where mine was at to add it in because I definitely would have done that, but I feel like this is really cute. And once again, these jeans from Target just did not miss. These here are size 6. I was looking for a size 8. They didn't have them, so I was like, you know what, I'll just take this. Y'all know I like my stuff a little bit more baggier. But I really love the way that this came together. It's so cute. I love the button details too. It's like 4 or 5 buttons and it like kind of like snatch you in for the girls that need it. For the girls that don't, girl, don't come on here with that stuff, okay? We like to be snatched up around here. But I love this. I love the pockets. So cute. And this is it. I love the little small rip. It's not too much. And this here is the look. So for this look, I decided to pair these jeans with a dress. I know, a dress. Seems crazy, right? I absolutely love the way that this came together. So I intentionally did not buy any tops to go with the jeans that I got from Target because I wanted to see what could I work with that I already had in my closet. Didn't think I was going to grab a dress, but I absolutely did. So I can wear this, of course, 2 ways. I really like the way that this is paired because it seems like it's giving like the whole thigh illusion, of course, but it's just jeans underneath instead. Y'all, one thing, we're going to get our cost per wear for the items that we absolutely love. I love this dress alone, and I love these jeans alone, but together, I feel like this came together so cute. This is kind of giving me like content creator event, so invite me. Invite me. Y'all, let me know where the events are because I feel like this is what it's giving. Like, it's not too much. I decided to go in with a belly band sandal because the heel is small. It's not too much. We're not really looking at the shoe for color because the pants is doing that for us. This bag here is like one of my absolute favorite fall winter styles. And the charms is just bringing like the life to the party. Absolutely love the bowling bag, the way that we paired this. I probably would have with my Christian Dior glasses, my blue ones with my gold tag. Well, with my gold frame, I'm sorry. But I love the way that this came together. I love how we did minimal jewelry, so you can just absolutely see like all of this brownness. These earrings are so cute, and I love the top bun. Love this. So this is just one way out of many ways that you can style these jeans. I'm trying to show y'all why y'all need these because they are so fire. And I'm pretty sure that they're very overlooked because I told y'all metallics can get very, very cheesy, and these ones didn't miss. Absolutely love. I love how long they are, how comfortable they are. I am wearing a size 8. I love the balloon barrel look. So good. Absolutely love it. If y'all have a dress with a really high split, grab it, turn it into a shirt, and let me see what y'all come up with. This here is the look. Okay, so for this dress here, so many options, so many different things to do. I went with kind of like a Western style without the hat because the hat that I had just didn't match the way I needed it to match. But I really love these boots with this. I felt like they were so edgy and cute. I got these from Zara last year. I'll take any similar options. But the dress, so cozy, so easy to style. I wanted to put on some different glasses with it, like not my normal, like, you know, Loewe's that I absolutely love and did grab for. I wanted to try something a little different. I absolutely love these with it. It's not an exact match, but it's still perfect. It was really hard to choose a bag because I wanted like a print. Y'all know that we have the zebra duffel and we also have the leopard, but I felt like the leopard probably went a little better with this. I feel like this came together so cute. It seems like I look like kind of like a quiet girl. Like it's giving like a quiet girl type of energy. But I love this so much. Like I said, it's still cozy. You could even like sub the boots out for sneakers. And I feel like it would go perfectly. Also, you can add a cowboy hat. That would be so cute as well. I like the way I pulled the ponytail up and left the bag down. It's like something about a little pop of innocence. That's what it seems like to me. But I love this so much. I would like for the dress actually to be a little bit longer, if you will. But I love that it had really deep pockets. And this color is super, super gorgeous. Like this color is so, so good. Okay, so I'm giving business casual, which I absolutely love because it's still like a cozy, cozy fit. So initially I was gonna wear sneakers with this, but I felt like the clogs went really, really cute. I love the printed detail. I felt like we needed like a little bit of print somewhere. I love that the buttons are brown, so I decided to go in with the chocolate brown plug box bag. Chef's kiss. This bag is so good. I have these glasses here that I was trying out for my collection. Tell me if you guys like them. I feel like they are so cute. Although they are not the same exact print, they are a print, so I felt like that was really like kind of edgy and fun. I wore a bustier top underneath. So I love bustier tops and I love them with like baggy pants. I feel like this combination went together really, really cute. Of course, if we was at a real meeting, we would leave it closed. But of course, after the party is the after party, okay? So I decided to wear this little bustier top. Even though I don't feel like it's doing too much, it just may be giving a little bit too much for a meeting. I love this look. I feel like it's nice and cozy. I feel like it's so fun. I really like the clothes detail because at first I wasn't thinking that until I went in my closet and I was like, I love this with it. Minimal jewelry, didn't really need it. Stayed with the studs, but I love this. So cute, so fun. Target did not miss with these little 2-piece sets, and of course you can wear them separately. It's so much to do. This is the look. If you've reached this part of the video, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I would love for you to be a part of the Plug Babes.